Attention Windows 10 users. Your operating system was set to lose official Microsoft support in just a few weeks, but there's some surprising good news. Microsoft is giving you one more year of security updates for free, but only if you act before October 14th. In this video, I'll walk you through what's happening, how to enroll, and whether sticking with Windows 10 is really worth it. Let's rewind. Microsoft announced years ago that Windows 10 support would officially end on October 14, 2025. The plan was to push everyone to Windows 11, which has a heavier focus on AI features and stricter hardware requirements. The catch? Not everyone wants Windows 11, some PCs can't handle it, and plenty of users just don't like the changes. That's where Microsoft's Extended Security Updates, or ESU program, comes in. Originally, they were going to charge $30 a year to keep your Windows 10 device safe. But after backlash, they're letting users enroll for free, at least for one more year. Here's how you can lock in your free updates. Open your settings on Windows 10, navigate to Update and Security, then Windows Update. You should see a message saying Support ends October 14th. Underneath, there's a link to enroll now in the ESU program. Follow the instructions. If you don't see the option, make sure your PC is up to date and restart. Microsoft quietly rolled out this menu back in August, so it might not show unless you've installed the latest patches. When you open the ESU enrollment, you'll see a few ways to get that year of updates. Use Microsoft Rewards points. If you've got at least 1,000 points, you can redeem them to cover the cost. That's essentially free if you've been using Microsoft services. Sync Windows backup with OneDrive. Another free path, though you may need extra cloud storage if your files are large. Or, pay $30. Yes, Microsoft is still allowing users to pay, but why spend money if you can get the free options? The free year runs until October 13th, 2026. After that, Microsoft says you're completely on your own. Now let's be clear about what this deal includes. These updates are security patches only. No new features, no performance improvements, and no customer-requested fixes. You're not going to see fresh bells and whistles, just the essential protection against malware and vulnerabilities. Technical support will also be gone except for license activation and installation. Basically, your system will be safe, but it's not evolving anymore. So, should you take advantage of this? Absolutely. It buys you time. If your PC can't run Windows 11 yet, this gives you another year to save up for a new machine, or wait to see if Microsoft loosens its requirements. But keep in mind, October 2026 is the absolute last call. After that, Windows 10 will truly be history. So don't wait. Check your settings, enroll in the ESU program before October 14th, and secure yourself another year of protection for free. Hit that like button if this helped you out, subscribe for more tech updates, and let me know in the comments. Are you sticking with Windows 10, or finally jumping to Windows 11?